Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm here at the Arambol Market in December 2020, and we're going to be checking out what's open, what's not, and the crowd and everything, guys. So let's go and check out the market, guys. So guys, we are here at the moment in the afternoon. It's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see, many of the shops are open. I have done a video here at the market before, but if that was much before, so let's just see the vibe now, the crowd here. So over here you have Curves, which is a store that sells all these bikinis and beach clothing kind of thing. I've shown you this place before, which is called the Cafe Black Pearl. It's full of foreigners, and there's always foreigners here. So this is a very happening place. Definitely recommend coming here and checking it out. So the thing about Arambol Market is you get a lot of unique stuff that is not available in other markets. Like you get those very, stuff like this, which is very interesting. Hi. So you have a lot of different stuff like this, and like jewelry. You have. I've showed you guys this store before. This is a very fascinating store because they have a lot of jewelry here, and look at this. How cool is this? So they have very, very interesting stuff here. So they have rings and stuff. All of these range from around 100 rupees to 500, 1000. Some of these are sterling silver, and then you have, see this. So these are sterling silver, guys. Here most of these rings and whatever they have, and they have like interesting jewelry. These rings are really fascinating. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we have a wine store here, okay, and again we have, so actually pretty much most of the stuff that I've shown you guys before in my video are Arambol Market, if you're new, of course. So they have all these outfits like this. There is a wine store here. So this is a popular wine store, which you get most of the alcohol, and they have a lot of different other items that they have, cigarettes, everything that you would require. These are some interesting stores. These have like for shorts and stuff for men. They have pretty decent stuff, interesting looking stuff. Something which I always tell people to come to Arambol for is these kind of shoes. You see these women's shoes here, which is not available in other markets actually. So if you see these, so let's take a closer look. So these things are not available in other markets. So very fascinating. Dream catchers. So this whole store has dream catchers here. So dream catchers. What else do they have? So they have these bags, cute bags, everything. So obviously being afternoon, there's not much crowd here. Most of the crowd comes in the evening. So if you're looking for a good crowd, then come in the evening. This cafe is really nice. They have a lot of cakes and stuff. I came here before and it was really nice. So let's just look around here this side. They have more stores here. So most of the shops have the similar kind of items, okay, and ranges about 200 to 250 for most of the items. This place has shawarma and stuff like that. If you're hungry, you want to have some, shawarmas and things like that, fast food, so then you can come here and try some of these. So we are almost at the beach, but these are some new shops which have opened, which I've not showed you before. So they have all these stuff. So most of the shops have dream catchers and silverware. If you want to do your emails or flight bookings or anything, this shop is open here. And even if you want to get a computer and check any of your tickets or anything, you can use the computer here. They do printing and everything. So they have lots of clothes shops, alcohol shop here, and more clothes. They have some nice bikinis here. So today I'm actually with my wife and my friend, which is my wife's friend actually. So they are already at the beach. Okay, this is called German bakery here, and they have really good food stuff. Not food stuff really, but they have all different kind of bakery items. See, these are things that you will not find in any other market. These are made out of pure hemp. So hemp is basically like weed, the weed plant, but they make clothing and stuff out of it, bags and stuff like that. So there's a tattoo studio here, and they have other things like if you want to get these floaties, and lots of alcohol, of course. Everywhere you get a lot of alcohol. So okay, so we are almost at the beach now. So yes, so that is the end of the market, guys, and we'll head on to the beach, and I'll do another beach video. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. I'll be bringing you lots of other videos like this from all over Goa. So that was just a little sneak peek into the Arambol Market here, and we'll be checking out the Arambol beach. I also will be doing other videos of the Arambol Sweetwater Lake and everything, guys. So definitely check out my channel.